Hello and welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today I would like to present to you this unique opportunity, this estate. It's a 5 bedrooms, 6 bathroom, situated on 11,420 square meters of land, 582 total built area with a 382 total livable area. Now let's talk about the location. The property is situated right in the middle between Lagos and Reserva de Luz, meaning easy access to restaurants, cafes, minutes drive to the Porto de Mos beach and Reserva de Luz. Also, the property is located near the international schools, just 1 hour away to the international airport, and is just next to the golf course. So now more about the property. The villa is split on 2 levels. On the main level you will find living, dining and kitchen area, all with exit to the outdoors, to the pool with the cascade water and the terrace with the barbecue area. There is 2 en-suites, 1 primary, and the level downstairs features 1 bedroom apartment, fully equipped with the kitchen, and it's also good for the office or for the guest and family. Next to the house there is a 2 bedroom guest house, also fully equipped with the living, dining and with the kitchen, and 2 bedrooms sharing 1 bathroom. The property is facing south for all the areas and exit to the outdoor, which is the best feature in the Algarve. There are few other features that I would like to mention about the property. The property has a cinema room, a game room, has a spa and a jacuzzi room outside. Also, besides the grand entrance that enters the property and a drive, the property has a fruit orchard that is located on the top of the hill, which is for the most sun exposure. And also you can see we are standing next to the smaller pool, which can be utilized as a kids pool or just another area. And both pools, the top and the bottom one, they are connected with the cascade water, generating this calm feeling and atmosphere. Talking about the land, it's 11,400 square meters. It's a huge property, and the house is located on the top and it's a little bit elevated, which gives the opportunity to see the entire plot and enjoy this beautiful garden. It's a tropical garden, meticulously maintained. Also, what can be done can be added a tennis court or a paddle court for your convenience. I would like to thank you for taking this video tour with us. If you like this property, please give us a shout on the phone and I will be happy to present it to you. Please find more details under the link below. Please like, subscribe, and see you soon.